Hey guys, welcome back to Lewin Global Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the RTX 3060 Ti. This is from ZOTAC, and this specific model is 8GB with a GDDR6 memory, and it can run 4K at 120 Hertz and 8K at 60 Hertz. And this bad boy has HDMI 2.1, and it's a PCI Express Gen 4 interface. Alright, let's get this bad boy open. I know some people are probably going to be like, what? 3060 Ti? What? Well, I've been trying to get a graphics card ever since they came out. So, if you know what the date is today, from the date that they came out, I just got one. So, do that math in your head. Alright, so this was the one with the best deal I could find, because the prices are still stupid right now. Okay, so this is the best deal I could find at the time that I bought this. I don't know what it'll be in the future, but at the time that I bought this graphics card, it was the best deal I could get. And I'm not spending $1,000 for a graphics card. And they give you a little pamphlet here. To get your extended warranty, all you have to do is register. Go to ZOTAC.com. And they give you an extended warranty on this. I don't think there's anything else in here. That's it. So just a graphics card. You can get this out of here. And they call it the ZOTAC Twin Edge Overclocked 3060 Ti. This is the back plate. It has little slots in here. You need to get the heat out for cooling. Got some here in the front. You guys can see that. And in the top here, the ZOTAC gaming logo, GeForce RTX right here. And this is an 8-pin power connector for this one. You can see the fins in the front of the card. And the two fans. This is a dual fan. There's other models that have 3 fans, but I didn't want to get a larger model with the 3 fans because that would increase my price. So I stick to the 2 fans and got the 3060 Ti. And they've run a lot of tests on these, and they've performed usually like 10 points less, I believe, under the 3070. So, I mean, the only way to really beat it is to go to a 3080, because it's just, you know, 10 points difference on the graphics for the 3070. So if you guys are looking for a graphics card, you get a good deal. While the price is what it is right now, I don't know, it could change any day. Prices are changing all the time, but when I bought this, I believed it was a good deal on it. It might be less in the future, it might be more, who knows? The world is crazy right now, but for me it was a good deal. So I'm gonna leave the link in the video for it. Not telling what the price is gonna be, but this is the best deal I could find at the time. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna see the connections in the back. You guys can see that. Has a one HDMI over here, and the rest are display port. And I believe the display ports are version 1.4, I believe. And HDMI is 2.1. And it is a 2-slot. You guys can see 2-slot graphics card. Pretty small size, doesn't take up a lot of room, so those who got some smaller mini ITX rigs be able to fit it in there and won't have any problem with the size. Okay, but that was the unboxing of the ZOTAC twin edge overclocking graphics card. I'm not gonna do any tests on this because these cards have been out so long. There's so many videos on test runs on these cards, so I'm not gonna make the video any longer for you guys to watch testing that's already been done like years ago. So just thank you guys for watching the video. Hope it was helpful a little bit, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.